welcome back to my channel, and I hope everyone is well. Today we're going to talk about 10 SQL questions that is constantly or frequently being asked during the interview. By the end of this video, hopefully you will know how to answer those questions accordingly. So let's just dive in. So first thing first, let's talk about what's the difference between having and where. So where filters out the rows before grouping, while having filters the group after the aggregation. And think of where as a bouncer checking IDs at the door, and having is a VIP section filtered inside. And here are the sample code how to use where and having respectively. But as you can see here at the employee table, we're using where to filter out the salaries. Where actually happens before the group by, while having happens after group by. Next, how do you find duplicate records in a table? Within SQL environment, sometimes the records might be duplicated, but you can use group by to help you achieve that. First of all, we use group by to group by the column where you would like to check the duplicates, and then use having count greater than 1 to catch the duplicates. So this is how you find the duplicate records in a table. Number 3, explain inner join, left join, right join, and full outer join. I would recommend you think of Venn diagram. So inner join is the overlaps only, and left join is all that plus the matches. Full outer join is basically everything, and right join is the all right part. Here's are the sample code where you can see how to perform the inner, left, right, and full outer joins accordingly using SQL scripts. Moving along, how do you get the second highest salary? I think getting the highest salary is also very frequently asked questions within SQL, and here we have to use subquery to get the highest salary and then find the maximum that's less than that. First of all, we find the maximum salary within the subquery, and then we use salary as a filter to limit the salary range which is less than the maximum salary. Number 5, how to remove duplicates from a table. Prior to that, we talk about finding duplicates within the table, but now we can group by the duplicate fields and keep the minimum ID and then delete the rest. We use the delete script to delete from customers, and then group by email to keep the minimum ID while deleting the rest of it. Next, what is a CTE? So CTE is the abbreviation for a common table expression, and CTE can make complex subquery readable. It's like defining a usable subquery block. Whatever you declare within CTE, you can use that over and over and over again without repetitively writing the script. So this is the sample code for the CTE, and we're basically doing the count of number of employees per department, and then use another query to filter out the departments where we have more than 10 employees. And moving along, how to rank rows in SQL. Please check out the video that I made before, which has a thorough explanation about the difference between rank, dense rank, and row number. Regarding the question of how to rank rows in SQL, we typically use rank, dense rank, and row number with over and partition by per group. So it really depends on what's your use cases, and you can refer to the video there for more details about how to use each function and what's the difference between them accordingly. Number 8, what is the difference between union and union O? This is a question that I got frequently asked by some of my students as well. So union removes the duplicated rows, while union O keeps them. So O means all rows. That's how I memorize the difference. This is a simple code that how to use union and union O. Second to the last, how to update one table based on another. You can use update in SQL with join to sync the data across tables. Last but not least, how to find the nth highest salary using dense rank. They're not just asking about top n salaries, but the nth highest salary. In this case, we can utilize dense rank to make sure each ranking has a row assigned to the ranking, roll number or rank. And you can just filter on the column that you just generated to get the nth highest salary. And that's it for today's top 10 frequently asked SQL questions. Hope this helps. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button for more and smash the like button for better algorithm recommendation. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye.